Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by heating your chicken broth gently so flavors bloom without clouding. Use low-sodium broth to control salt. Once warm, add a drizzle of oil and sweat the minced onion, carrots, and celery for 5-7 minutes until translucent. This builds the soup's base. You'll want to deglaze with a splash of broth, scraping brown bits. Do this now so the liquid captures aroma. Make sure to keep heat moderate so vegetables soften but don't brown. Once the aromatics are soft, stir in garlic and your herbs. Bay leaf and thyme release steady flavor while simmering. If using raw chicken, brown briefly then add broth and simmer 10-12 minutes until cooked through. If pre-cooked, add late to warm without overcooking. Next, add rice or noodles and adjust heat so they cook to al dente. This prevents mush. Taste as you go and add a splash of acid like lemon juice to brighten flavors before final seasoning. You finish by stirring in chopped parsley or cilantro and a small knob of butter for silkiness. This rounds flavors and improves mouthfeel. Make sure to remove the bay leaf and any herb stems, then taste for salt and acidity. Adjust gradually. If the soup is too greasy, skim or refrigerate briefly and lift off solidified fat. If too salty, add unsalted broth or a peeled potato while simmering to absorb salt. If weak, simmer gently to concentrate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.